nobody got time for that. So YouTube, July 15th, Wednesday 15th, 2015, destination Amarillo, Texas. We'll go pick up. Ain't nobody got time for that. 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 Ain't nobody got now. Not got my now. Nobody ain't no more now. Ain't nobody got now. Ain't nobody going now. Ain't no one got y'all. Bao là quá nhanh mà đâu nhớ mà không tự nhiên đâu. Ah, where's my lighter? What the fuck? I need but one thing. Really, what the fuck? Okay, yeah, that one. Well, ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody gonna have time for you. Ain't nobody have time for you. Ain't nobody have time for you. Ain't nobody got time for you. Ain't nobody got time for you. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for you. So I'm going to pick up. My reefer's at -1 degrees Fahrenheit. Everything back there is going to be frozen. I just fueled up in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Santa Rosa, New Mexico, at the Love's truck stop. There in another 2 hours, I think. Amarillo. Picking frozen up, some frozen ice cream or some shit. And then enjoy the ride. Enjoy this beautiful morning. I woke up at Santa Rosa, or Santa Fe, New Mexico, the capital of New Mexico right there. And I delivered the rest of the wine. About 7 in the morning. I was out of there at 7:30. And then I got the dispatch. I was going down to Albuquerque. And then I got the dispatch going to Amarillo. Pick that up. I had a weird weird fucking breakfast. She wasn't cool as weird. It was lunch mixed with breakfast. It was a hot dog, 2 tornado things, like churros with meat inside of them, or taquitos with meat inside of them. Yeah, taquitos. So churros, 2 churros or 2 taquitos, hot dog, one of these Fairlife things. Pretty good. Still have a lot of sugar though, compared to the other one. There's another one by Shamrock Foods. This one's by Fairlife. New company or something. That one has like 6 grams of sugar. This shit has 17 grams of sugar. But they're saying compared to regular milk, it has 34 grams of sugar. Regular chocolate milk has 34 grams of sugar. Truckin' Tempo has 100 grams of sugar. Oh, honey. You a sweet man. Yeah, so that fucking, and then a Gatorade. And then I got the coffee, but I'm not drinking it. And then after I had one of those things, my stomach started feeling funny. And then I started singing, ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.